From the admin portal under Miscellaneous Workflows, FileCloud provides the capability as an administrator to automate a lot of the tasks that you do in FileCloud. To create a new workflow, simply click on the top right corner where it says Add Workflow. You can add multiple workflows depending on the action that you're looking to accomplish. In this scenario, we're going to create a workflow. If a file is created, then the system requires that we input some of the needed parameters. In this case, I'm going to use the ones from the example, where it specifies the user path. So if a file is created on this path, then an action has to follow. And it gives us the following options: notify a user, copy the file to some other location, delete the file, and so on. In this case, I'm going to notify a user. Now it requires for us to input the user that we want notified in this section. In here, I'm going to put my email. Click Next. And I'm going to create the name, for example, notify Jack if a file is added on a specific location. Now, once a workflow is created, it will appear within the Manage Workflows, and we can see that it's enabled. I can disable this workflow simply by clicking in here, and it gives me a confirmation, hey, do you sure you want to disable this workflow? Just click OK, and the workflow has been disabled. As seen in FileCloud, you can create multiple workflows for different actions. For example, if I wanted a workflow that blocks devices from connecting, unless the admin approves them, you can simply create that workflow as well. Now, other workflows include multiple actions. For example, report before deletion. So in this scenario, the workflow will create a report and email it to the user specified of what files will be deleted. Besides enabling and disabling the workflows, FileCloud also gives the capability of executing them or simulating the workflow. In this case, I'm going to simulate the workflow, and it displays to me the report that it will send my administrator of the files that will be deleted. In this scenario, I can edit the workflow by clicking on Edit, and I can change, for example, the users to be notified or the files that will be deleted on the specific number of days. I can view the workflow activity to see what actions have occurred on the date and time, or I could also delete the workflow. So as seen, there are multiple actions you can accomplish depending on what you're looking for. FileCloud Workflows will assist you in automating multiple tasks on your system.